Hello all, this is Loner 420 from Loner 420 House. Wanting to wish everybody a happy 420 hour. January 11th. Of course I gotta do my hack. Yeah, here I am in Fanny Bay. I've been asked over to my roommate's mother's place for dinner today. So, I thought I'd stop in front of the Fanny Bay Unincorporated where I lived for 12 years. And finally get Fanny Bay on film here. Yeah, again, it's Loner 420. Again, from 420 House, wishing everybody a happy 420. Peace out, all.